Welcome to VigilEar, our multilingual audio language model interface where sound meets intelligence. Here, users can either upload any audio clip, speech, music, or ambient sounds, or record live audio in real time. Behind this simple interface lies a deep learning model capable of analyzing speech and non speech elements together, transforming everyday sounds into meaningful insights. Once the user uploads
For
or
example,
records an
consider
audio clip
consumption of cheap
in real
fast food
language
versus
effects,
steak.
the system first pre-processes the input audio, cleaning background noise and normalizing sound levels to ensure clarity. It then segments the clip into frames, tiny windows of audio, and then feeds them into the audio encoder, a deep neural network trained to detect patterns in both speech and non speech signals. In parallel, the language model interprets the spoken words while the audio branch identifies contextual events like environmental sounds, emotions, and speaker variations. These two streams, speech and non speech, are then fused through a shared reasoning layer, allowing the model to not just transcribe words but to understand what's actually happening in the scene. As the model processes, it performs joint inference, detecting who's speaking, what sounds are present, and what they collectively imply. This integrated reasoning is what makes ALM special. It doesn't just recognize, it understands the full audio context, the way a human listener would. Once the audio is processed, VigilEar delivers a complete breakdown of the scene. The system identifies what is happening, how it sounds, and what it means. Here, the detected event is a civil defense siren, an environmental sound recognized from its unique frequency and modulation pattern. The model also detects the emotional tone of the speaker as sad, revealing subtle paralinguistic cues like voice pitch and pacing. Alongside this, the speech recognition engine transcribes the spoken content with precision, while the description panel combines all these findings, event, emotion, and dialogue to generate a natural language summary of the situation. And this is where LM goes beyond recognition. It allows users to ask questions directly about the audio. For instance, when prompted to describe the situation, the model reasons through all detected signals and constructs a meaningful explanation, just as a human listener would. Finally, using the multilingual subtitle generator, VigilEar converts the interpreted speech into the selected subtitle language. Here, subtitles are generated in Hindi, showcasing the model's adaptability to regional languages, enabling accessibility, inclusivity, and multilingual understanding
Another
in real
is
time.
rabbit in graves.
Behind VigilEar's intuitive Behind VigilEar's intuitive interface lies a deeply engineered AI backbone, one that we trained and fine tuned entirely from the ground up. Since no existing dataset captures both speech and non speech reasoning and paralinguistic features, we built our own, diverse, multilingual, and rich with real world acoustics. Here, we integrate the dataset directly into the pre trained model and begin the fine tune process. Each epoch helps the model learn not just words, but relationships between sound, context, and emotion. Step by step, it starts to understand sound the way we do. The trainer pipeline optimizes across multiple tasks simultaneously: transcription, accuracy, audio event detection, emotion recognition, and contextual reasoning. And as the training progresses, the accuracy curve climbs steadily, proving the model's ability to generalize across complex, noisy, and multilingual environments. What you see here is evolution of VigilEar into a truly intelligent system, one capable of listening, interpreting, and reasoning in real time. This is not just audio processing, this is audio understanding, powered by deep learning, fine tuned on diversity, and designed for the real world.